Mistake 5 in the claims process, missing deadlines. Now, I have talked about 4 other mistakes that you can make when you file a claim, but one of the most crucial mistakes that you can make is missing deadlines in a long-term disability claim. There are deadlines for filing your notice of claim, for filing your proof of claim, for filing an administrative appeal if your claim is denied or terminated, and even filing a lawsuit. These time limits are found in your policy or plan and in jurisdictional law. The most crucial deadline comes, in my view, is when you have failed to give the carrier proper notice of the claim, and or when your claim has been denied or terminated and you have failed to file an appeal within 180 days. It is really crucial that you understand those deadlines, and to understand those deadlines you need to get a copy of the policy or the plan from the disability carrier or from your employer if they are the plan administrator. You want to learn also from getting the claims file the true basis of the insurance company's denial of your claim, because that will impact the appeals process. Normally you're only going to have 180 days in which to file an appeal, and you want to get those medical records, the vocational material, the claims notes, all of the stuff that's in the claims file that will explain, in quotes, why your claim was denied or benefits are terminated. Now remember, when you file an appeal, it's only an appeal of your case. It is the trial of your case. In other words, I don't want you to think that just because you filed an appeal, it's all over. The appeal is the trial of your case, and by that I mean the judge, if it goes to in front of them, can't consider anything other than what's in that claims file. And if you don't file an appeal, if you don't submit additional documentation and you let that 180 days go and then decide you want to file an appeal or file a lawsuit, they're going to argue that you have failed to exhaust your administrative remedies. And that is the kiss of death. There's not a whole lot that can be done to fix that kind of blowing the deadlines, if you will. So it's really crucial that you understand these mistakes. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the mistake of taking the advice of your HR department. See you soon. 727-894-3188 if you have any questions in the meantime.